Yeah, I am at Satpal Mittal School with Satyam Innovation Fest 6.0. It's really an honorable experience to be here. I am literally proud to see the way it is organized. Big round of applause to the organizing team of VizRobo, the way they have conducted it. Amazing hospitality, right from the day we got in touch with and to witnessing all of this. See, these days, hundreds of opportunities are lying up, and students usually get confused where to go, what to do. So I believe one quality that they should inculcate is persistence. More of awareness is required in what you want to achieve, what you want to do. Tools, resources are available, but there has to be a focus. So resilience, persistence, focus, and honesty are the four qualities which will be required for the next leap. See, one thing which is interesting is that schools usually they try to opt the things which are trending in the industrial scenario. But unfortunately with that, these technologies have also become one another subject. So robotics has become a subject, AI has become a subject. It should not be a subject. These are absolutely. So these are disruptive technologies. Now you need to have a disruptive lab, you need to have a challenge lab and an ideation lab. And these technologies should just be handy tools to bring your ideas into action. So what is required is a diligent thought process around it. Why do we need to train students on robotics? Am I trying to solve some bigger problem? What is my end goal? If that is defined properly, I think schools will be able to establish better systems. Absolutely. To form the base, I think it's really good to have certain kits, certain equipments in place, but things should go beyond it. So your idea, imagination and exploration, opportunity should be there with any program that we are bringing in the school.